This 5-minute solution will show you an error occurred during activation on FaceTime. So if you're facing this issue while you are opening your FaceTime, just follow these quick solutions to fix it. The first solution is sign out of FaceTime and sign back in. Go to your settings, scroll down and search for FaceTime and tap on it. And here you will get your Apple ID. So tap on it, tap on sign out. Once you signed out, again sign back in and check the issue. And the second solution is turn on Wi-Fi assist. Tap on cellular or mobile data. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and here you will find Wi-Fi assist. So enable it. Once done, open your control center and switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile, mobile to Wi-Fi, and then check the issue. And the third solution is change your FaceTime ID. Scroll down again and tap on FaceTime. And here, if you selected your Apple ID, you have to select your mobile number. So select your mobile number as your Face ID and check the issue. And if you're still facing the same problem, then reset your all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.